samahan niyo ako mag-Roblox. Wala. Tulog na kasi ate. Wait lang guys. Ay, sorry. Flying things and people to guys. Dito yung TV. Okay guys, maganda ba? So, bye guys. Yan na lang yung higaan. Yan na lang higaan. Bye guys. Guys, sa next video pala.